Good evening, sweet treats. We're the Wendigo Twins.
I'm Kiwi Quasar.
And I'm Nicolola. And welcome to tonight's feast. So tonight we have a spooky box club, and it was quite an ordeal to get the spooky box club.
It was ridiculous.
A whole story and the whole thing just to get, so it better be good.
It better be good.
Spooky box.
So it's 53. It's the Witch's Garden, which I'm a big garden person. Ooh. And I'm really excited about this. I was like, ooh, hooray, hooray. It was like she mentioned in her whole song and dance, it was such an ordeal to get this.
Yeah.
FedEx, I'm not pleased.
FedEx,
you're on my not good list.
So this is number 53, Witch's Garden, and we're both fans of gardening.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got her little garden outside.
I do.
I just moved into a new place, so I'm gonna have a little garden on the balcony. That's the plan right now.
Yeah.
So let's see what we got in the spooky box this time.
And for those of you who haven't heard it, it is a gothic type of subscription box. Now I'm not going to say it's monthly. They do have a new theme every month, but this one, because they hand print, like not hand print, but like a lot of it is their own art, and they get printed on stuff, and it's their own exclusive lids, that it does take a couple months to get the box.
Yeah. So technically it's a monthly subscription that doesn't come monthly.
No.
So you get it when you get it. But they have new themes every month.
Yeah. And
their intention is there.
Their intentions is there. And honestly, it's well worth the wait for me. I enjoy it a lot. Yeah, so I enjoy it. I'm fine waiting. I feel like it's worth. I like home goods, which is usually they have a couple items. So, all right, let's get to it.
Big box.
Witch's Garden.
Gotta be good.
Oh. So here, give me stuff.
It's empty. No. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the cheat sheet first, and I'm gonna put that face down there.
Face down. Okay. So it's a surprise.
Yeah, first. Oh, yeah, there's stuff tucked in.
Well, I already kind of like accidentally saw something because it's pretty big. Is it one thing? Okay. Ah, it's your hat.
It's your hat.
Ooh.
Oh. Yeah, that's why I was like, I think there's something inside it.
All right, so this says. It's a cap. It says Gravedigger. I actually really like caps. I don't usually go for this, what's called the dad hat style, but with gardening, the sun is like a really big issue, because you want to
protect the skin, guys.
Protect the skin. Skin cancer's a real thing. Sunblock. You need that SPF. Hat is a really good thing. I usually wear a hat. I usually wear a really obnoxious wide brim hat with my sunglasses and my sunnies on. So this one's really cute. It has like a little bow. Like it was tied in a bow, but I untied it. So that's cute. It has spooky in the back. That's nice. Gonna represent. The Gravedigger's fun. So I'm probably gonna probably wear it outside, actually. My garden. Yeah, just like that.
I like that it has like a ribbon tie on the back rather than one of those ugly like snappy bits.
Yeah, the snappy bits. So that's actually really creative. So I really appreciate that.
So you can make like a cute little bow. Or...
Sorry if you saw some stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so hat. So that's actually really cool.
The first one. This is the second item. Item number 2.
Item 2. Oh, okay. Mini hanging apothecary plant vials on a jute string.
There's a lot of things I'm not sure are happening there.
Oh, this is cool.
What is a jute
It's
string?
a set of 6. I don't know what a jute string is, though. We're gonna have to look that up. It says so 6 vials, so that's cool, and you can put ready to fill with plant cuttings, air plants, and succulents. Oh,
so
I just wanted to get
sweet packaging.
I did want to kind of like
see what it looks like.
Get into like the little air plants.
Yeah, air plants are supposed to be very easy to take care of because they don't need soil, they don't need water. No, they need water. They actually need water. This is why I killed it.
They need nothing.
They need water. They don't need soil. You just like put them in whatever.
Like what are they like?
But I killed both of the ones I had. They're not plastic.
Well, because you were like, it doesn't need water.
No,
like,
and then I corrected myself because it does actually need water. It needs water to survive. I did water mine, but I guess I overwatered them. I don't know. I killed them both. And that's my story.
Oh, okay, so they're all connected. I was like,
scared.
Oh. Okay, so it's like one of those, what do you call those strings that you do your little homey craft rustic kind of things?
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually really cute.
Okay, so this is what called a jute?
A jute.
A jute string. I've never heard that term before.
Never
string
either.
with like little
vials.
glass jars. I don't know if it'll focus.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And there's 6 of these babies. These are really cute.
I like this.
So it'll go in our office with
it's like
maybe an
tiny
air
plants.
plant. Does air plants need sun?
They don't. There's, well,
sort of.
Well, I killed both of mine, so I'm not the person to ask.
Well,
I think they're supposed to be indoor plants, so.
Because like our office doesn't really.
It doesn't have. Well,
it has a window, but we cover with the tapestry.
We're both cave people.
We're
both cave people.
Yeah, we don't like outside light.
Yeah. That's really cute. So you could fit like tiny plants in here. Like very, very small. I think it said succulents, but I don't know what succulent are gonna fit in here that's that small.
Like babies, like little. It's like tiny little shoots. I don't know.
Maybe
we'll figure it out. Better find little tiny skulls or something.
Yeah. I guess you could. Yeah, you could put like animal bones in here.
Like get little tiny
ethically sourced animal bones. Don't go killing animals just for the bones.
I'm not gonna kill animals.
Not you. You. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, what do you think of me? I'm a monster. So that's that. That's that. Okay.
I'm just gonna grab this because that was the next thing I saw. Okay. It's in bubble wrap. I don't know if it's glass, so.
I don't know. I wonder if it's like, oh yeah, oh good, I need one. I needed a new one. I like bent the crap out of mine. Yeah, sorry, I'm just rambling.
Oh, that's cute. I like that a lot, actually.
Oh, it's a tea strainer, guys.
That's real cute.
And it's like a little amethyst on it, which is really cute. Like I bent mine. I used it a lot and I beat it up. So I'm like real happy about this, actually. This is cute because I was looking for one. I'm going to put it with I have a Killstar, the fortune teller cup.
I love that mug.
I love it. So I'm gonna actually use it with my thing. And I actually grow my own herbs. So I've been thinking about trying to use some teas and blend. We'll see how that go.
Respectable.
Yes. All right. But I'm like real bad at that, so don't expect anything. Don't expect too much from me. This feels like a tea to go with my thing. See. I love it when you guys put teas and stuff in here. Blackberry and mint tea. I don't think I've had that combination before. Blackberry and mint tea.
Blackberry and mint tea, and it's caffeine free, fruit and herb tea. It's got spearmint, hibiscus, blackberries, elderberries, rose hips, flavors, and berry aromas.
Fancy.
Okay, so we're gonna give it a sniff, or do you want to keep it?
I have a little bit of my cold. I have a cold again. I feel like most of the videos I have a cold.
You're always sick.
You know, it's what happens when you have little gremlins around you. They bring the plague and other stuff. Oh, I can smell the mint. I think.
Can you smell those aromas?
Yeah, it's pretty strong. It's actually, I think it smells nice, doesn't it? I caught mint and then I think the berry on the back.
It's kind of that's I mostly smell mint.
Yeah, because like mint was the first
tasty.
waft. Yeah, the first
like a berry after.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for my cold to kind of go away so I can actually get all the aromas.
All those undertones and those mouthfeels. All right, I'll just give you that because it's there.
Oh yeah, my lollipop, lollipop. I guess we're gonna find out the flavor when we get there because I don't actually know.
I can look. I can check.
She's gonna look. Nuka's gonna check.
Where are you?
So I started keeping a little candy dish here for us for a quick pick me up. I gotta refill it. Halloween season is so close, but I'm gonna put this in here. So
that's so funny. I brought mine out too. I put a candy in mine.
Yeah.
It's on the counter. All right, it's bubblegum gourmet.
Oh yay!
Bubblegum.
I love that flavor. I'm not gonna give it to nobody but me.
Bubblegum.
I'll peek. Me, myself, and I. Peek. I don't know what that is.
Feels like seed cap, maybe. Looks like seed.
Oh, yeah. My Gothic Garden Black Flower Collection.
Cute.
A selection of black blooming flower seeds for your garden. Follow the instructions provided inside to grow your spooker flower. Oh, that's cute. I did want to try growing flowers. So I got a pansy, which is a clear crystal black, sweet William, black prince, cornflower, black ball, hollyhock, jet black. I don't know what a hollyhock is. I've never heard of that.
Sounds familiar.
I wonder if we just like won't follow the instructions because in my mind, wildflowers, you just kind of like throw them and then water and then see what happens.
That's what you're supposed to do, yeah?
Yeah, with the
wildflowers, you just kind of like be free, go do the thing.
So I'm gonna probably, if that's the case, I'm gonna scatter it in my front garden.
Yeah. Tell me, yeah, I hope those grow because they sound cute.
They sound cute. I really hope so. I'm probably gonna request an assist because I have trouble growing from seeds. Like they don't grow for me.
Because I most of those look like. All right. Let's do this guy.
Okay. 10. Yeah.
Nope, it's a lollipop.
Dang. Reap what you sow. Oh, reap what you sow.
It's got a little Grim Reaper thing. Here.
There it goes.
There we go. Oh.
There it is.
Okay,
now.
There we go. gardening. And this is the last item.
Last item's
Heavy.
it's heavy. Well, it's not a patch. Oh, it's probably jewelry. Haha. I was right. Good for me. Usually one piece of jewelry in there. Okay, close box. There we go. What the heck is this? Crab claw. No. It's a mandrake.
Oh, I was like, I thought, because you had it facing this way, I was like, is it a lion?
I thought it was a lobster claw. See?
That's pretty cute.
Yeah, it's a little mandrake. Aw. Here.
That's cute, because you can't really like, I don't think you'd be able to tell.
Like right off the bat.
Yeah. So he's got a little mandrake guy.
He's got a little face that's going,
He's like, mandrake! Because you know the story of the mandrake. You go, look, this is him in the garden.
mm-hmm.
And you're like, oh, I'm going to pull a mandrake out of the garden. That's what a mandrake does, guys. That's what a mandrake does. And it's also used to hypnotize.
That's making me dizzy. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Pretty heavy too.
Yeah, he's pretty beefy. He's pretty solid.
He's a chunker.
Yeah, he's
Chunky
He's
boy.
a chunky boy. Thick boy. He's a thick boy
He's a
mandrake.
thick boy mandrake.
I'm usually pretty. I usually wear all their jewelry until like they get all gross and then I'm like, shoot.
Oh, you should shove your head wrap. It matches the theme.
Oh.
Sorry, I just noticed it. I was like, oh, it
Yeah.
matches the theme.
Little pet shop of horrors,
Little shop of terror.
I actually don't know the song. I'm just like, I just know. Even though I've seen it like a couple of times, I just don't. Not very good at that stuff.
Yeah. All right. So let's go through. We're gonna go through the checklist right now. Make sure you have everything. Okay. Witch's Garden. Blah blah blah. Custom made grave digger. Custom made grave digger cap with ribbon ties. Check. Custom made apothecary plant hanger. Check.
On the jute string.
On the jute string. Blackberry and mint tea sampler.
Check.
Check. Custom made amethyst crystal tea ball infuser.
Probably my favorite thing.
Yeah, I like that a lot. That's cute. My Gothic Garden flower seeds, also very cute.
Very cute.
Check. Screaming mandrake necklace.
Checkity check.
Check. You reap what you sow. Scythe.
Pin. Checkity check. Oh, and bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap is an extra bonus item. And then bubblegum gourmet lollipop, which we put in the pumpkin. That's just everything from this box. No. Let's see, can you see? So that was everything from this month's spooky box. Again, that was number 53, the Witch's Garden.
The Witch's Garden.
Pretty good selection of stuff there. I feel like they could have come with like an apron.
Yeah,
We were
gardening
talking about
apron.
earlier, or like tools or something. But
Yeah.
I guess we think
Crazy. I mean, but I'm pretty overall. I'm
yeah,
happy.
I like this one. I like this one better than the last one.
Yeah. Do too.
But I also like.
Well, I wear the head wrap all the time.
Yeah.
So.
Trucker hat, it's a trucker hat. Going to hunt in your truck. I don't know what your hunt. I don't know where that went.
Who knows?
Anyway, yeah, that was our
Getting
spooky
distracted.
box. Getting distracted as we always do. That was this month's spooky box. I can't talk tonight. This month's spooky box club. Also, if you liked this box, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Let us know that you like these videos of our spooky box unboxings.
Yep.
And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more gothic spooky / gaming content that we like to do.
/ we just
/ random stuff. / random stuff. If you like spooky girls who like spooky things, your girl's got you. Your girl's got you. Thank you so much for watching. We shall see you next time.